For writing today, we are responding to the two books we read in our reading assignment. So as usual, make sure you've done the reading assignment first. Our two books were Stick and Stone by Beth Ferry and Empathy, I Know How You Feel by Liz George. You can respond to both of the books or one of them in these three spots where you're going to write. The first thing you're going to write about is something that you found interesting as you read. I notice, so that can be your sentence starter. Make sure you have a complete sentence with a who and a what, and a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end. The next thing you're going to write about is I wonder. That's a question that you had either before you read, while you were reading, or after you read. A good sentence starter is I wonder. And if it's a question, there should be a question mark at the end. The last thing you're going to write about is a connection that you made to the book or the books as you read. This book reminds me of. When you are done with all three of these, make sure that you've got capitals and periods or question marks at the end. Make sure that you have done your best. Press the X and then the blue turn in button to complete your assignment.